So yesterday, oh, by the way, this is number 2 on the assignment.
The actual assignment we're doing today?
No, this is 2 from the one we just turned in case anyone is wondering. So the idea with the addition method is you add the 2 equations together, but that only helps you if you have opposites, like 5b and negative 5b, 2b and negative 2b. So for this one, it's not set up with opposites right off the bat. If you don't have opposites, then you have to make opposites, right? So this one, what would be the easiest way to make opposites here? Multiply
by -3.
By -3 on the bottom equation. And don't forget, I saw several of you remembered to do this side, but you forgot about the other side. You have to multiply both sides by -3. So the top equation, we're just going to leave it alone. I've got 3a plus 5b. And then the bottom equation, multiply everything. That'll give us -3a, -3 times 2b, minus 6b equals?
39.
Yep.
39.
-39. And then we're going to add those 2 equations together. And if you look, the very first thing, I have 3a added to -3a. No a's left then, right? Drops out. What's 5b and the -6b?
-1b.
-1b. And then over here, 3 plus -39.
-36.
And all you have to do is divide by -1. You get b is 36, right? Are you done? You still need to figure out what, how are you going to figure out what a is equal to?
Take 1 of them.
And you can go back to any of them. You can use this one, this one, this one, this one. Any of those will work. I like to use the one that looks the simplest. I would probably use this bottom one here. Would you? You have a plus 2b equals 13. And you're going to take this value for b and put it in right here. A plus 2b is 13. But what's your value for b?
36.
So a plus, is that 72? How would you get a by itself? You have to get rid of the plus 72. Oh my. And then you think you did something wrong because you get a equals?
59.
Yeah. So a is -59. Is that the only way you could do it? Absolutely not. I want to show you one more thing. A plus 2b equals 13. So let's just say I like to do things the longer way. A little bit longer, it's not that much longer. What if I want to get the b's to drop out? Could I?
Yeah.
Could I get the b's to drop out? They're not opposites right now. But could I get them to be opposites?
Yes.
What could I multiply by?
2 on top
2 on top
and -5 on bottom.
and -5 on bottom, right? It doesn't matter which one you use as negative either. It doesn't matter as long as one of them is negative. And don't forget over here, times by 2 times by -5. What does that give us? 6a plus 10b equals 6. Second equation, help me. -5a
-10.
minus 10b. Don't forget the other side. Uh-oh. -5 times 13. -65. And we're going to add those up. We're going to add those up. What's 6a and -5a?
A.
1a. What's 10b and -10b?
Nothing.
No b's, right? Drop out. What do I get if I combine 6 and -65?
-59.
Am I done?
No.
What do I still need? I need to find what is b equal to. How do I do that? Remember, you can pick any of those. You can pick this one, this one, this one, this one. I usually pick the simplest one, right? Do you usually pick the simplest? I'd probably pick this one again. Would you?
Yep.
A plus 2b equals 13. I'm going to take this value for A, right there. A plus 2b equals 13. What is A again?
-59.
-59. I have all the b's together. I need to get rid of what's with it.
-59.
Add 59. And so I have, that goes away. 2b equals what?
72.
What do I do next?
Divided by 2.
And what do I get for b then?
36.
B equals, and here's the thing, look at this. Look at that. What do you notice?
Same thing.
Oh, they're the same exact answer. So every single problem that you did for today, there's 2 ways to do every single one of those. I don't care which way you use. This way, you multiplied only one equation. Over here, you multiplied both equations. But it's not really that much more work. And both of them work. Both of them give you the right answer. It's just that here, the b's drop out and we find A first. The other way, the a's drop out and we find the b first. You get the same exact answers either way though, right? So it does not matter to me which way you do it. Does that make sense? Questions?
No.
So we're going to practice a little bit more. Did I tell you yesterday Algebra 2 is doing the same thing? Yep. But this time they're doing it with squares, like x squareds and y squareds. Oh, it's fun. It's math. So anything else? I have this for you today. And again, whole numbers. The answers come out to be whole numbers, whole numbers. I'll be in my office after I get this going. I'll take attendance and then I'll be waiting to help you.